Dear students, Namaste. In this video tutorial, we will learn about characteristics of homologous series and classification of carbon atom. After watching this video, the students will be able to explain the characteristics of homologous series, classify carbon atom in alkanes, and recognize primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary carbons. Now we will see what is homologous series. A homologous series is a series of compounds in which the adjacent members differ by a CH2 unit. The individual members are called as homologs, and for example, the homologous series of alcohols can be represented as given in this table. The general formula of alcohol is ROH or CnH2n plus 1 OH, where R is the hydrocarbon portion and is often used to represent the alkyl group, and where N is the number of carbon atoms present in it. The first column represents the name of alcohol. The second column represents the number of carbon atoms present in it. The third column represents the hydrocarbon portion, and in the last column the formula of alcohol is given. When you observe the table, you will see that each next adjacent compound is differ by a CH2 unit. For example, ethanol. Ethanol contains one CH2 group, and the next compound of the series, that is propanol, contains two CH2 group. Now we will see the general characteristics of homologous series. All the compounds in the series contains the same element and functional. All the compounds in the series can be represented by general formula. For example, alcohol, which has a general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH. The molecular formula of each homolog differs from one above and one below by CH2 in it. For example, ethanol and propanol. See here, in ethanol it contains one CH2 unit, and in propanol it contains two CH2 unit, and these two compounds differ by CH2 unit. All the compounds in the series can be prepared by similar methods, and all the compounds in the series have similar chemical properties. There is a gradual variation in physical properties with increasing the molecular weight of a chemical compound. Now we will see the properties of carbon. The carbon occurs in all organic life, and it is the basis of organic chemistry. In all organic compounds, the carbon obeys the octet rule. What is octet rule? The octet rule is a chemical rule of thumb that reflects the observation that main group elements tend to bond in a such way that each atom has 8 electrons its valence sheet, giving it the same electronic configuration as a noble gas. And this rule is especially applicable to carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and halogens. So, the carbon is a tetravalent. That means a carbon atom forms a total 4 covalent bonds, which may include double or triple bond as shown here in the given examples. In the first example, it forms 4 covalent bonds. In the second example, it forms one double bond and two covalent bonds. And in the last example, it forms one covalent bond and triple bond with nitrogen. The carbon can form a very long chains of carbon bonds, and this property of bonds formation is known as catenation. The carbon bonds are strong and stable. Now we will see the classification of carbon atoms in alkanes. See, the structural formula of alkane contains four types of carbon. The example of compound 2-dimethyl 3-methyl pentane, as the longest chain contains 5 carbon atoms. So, by following the IUPAC nomenclature rule, it is pentane having 2 methyl groups at second number carbon and 1 methyl group at third number carbon. Now see the carbon atom present at 1 and 5 position. It is called as primary carbon, and the primary carbon is a carbon atom which is attached to one other or no other carbon atom, as shown in the structure of methane. It is attached to 4 other hydrogen atoms, and at the position 5 it is attached to 1 carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. As in the case of first position carbon atom, it is also attached to 3 hydrogen atoms and 1 carbon atom. And these carbon atom at position 1 and 5 are known as primary carbon. The secondary carbon is a carbon atom which is attached to two other carbon atoms. See, in the structure, the carbon atom at number 4 is attached to two carbon atoms of number 3 and number 5 and two hydrogen atoms. The tertiary carbon atom is a carbon atom which is attached to three other carbon atoms. See, in the structure, the carbon atom at position 3 is attached to carbon atoms of second and fourth and one methyl group to it, and one hydrogen atom attached to it. So it is attached to three other carbon atoms and one hydrogen. The quaternary carbon atom is attached to four other carbon atoms. See here in the structure, the carbon atom of position 2 is attached to first and third position carbon atom, and two methyl groups are attached to it. From this example, you can recognize the primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary carbon. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the YouTube channel for more videos. Your comments and suggestions for improvement are